Daniel.
Hi, Ken.
Flying indoors as a drone pilot is a whole different animal. It's raining outside right now.
Right.
But in here, you know, there's no FAA hassling you. So as a drone pilot, I have to be responsible, especially when I'm flying around so many people.
Of course.
And I went down for both events and I spoke with the vendors and made an announcement on the big Mickey phone just to make sure. So if you're gonna do this, do be careful. Even though there's no FAA regulations for indoor flight, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Hey Ken,
These are your boats right here?
this is our boats right here, Starcraft and Sylvan.
Okay. I'm gonna be flying a drone for the place for a promotional video for next year.
Awesome, man. Love it.
May I fly through your boats a little bit?
Just go for it, man.
All right, I'll make an announcement before I do.
Okay,
just send it, you know,
just send
all
it,
right.
bro. Just go for
There you
it.
go.
That's right.
I'm gonna be flying a drone soon. Just want to give you a heads up. Is that okay? If I film your RVs?
Absolutely.
Okay, just want to let you know. Probably be coming right above head level. I won't chop anybody's head off though.
Oh, yeah, don't do that.
No.
Nobody would like that.
Okay, yeah. Would it be okay if when I'm flying the drone, can I come in this window and then like out that window?
You can do it. Yes, sir.
I'll do it. All right, look for me here in a couple minutes.
Sounds good.
Is it okay if I fly through your boat?
Absolutely.
Is it okay?
Absolutely.
I'm gonna be flying a drone here in a minute.
Okay.
Is it okay if I fly through your boats?
Yeah,
Like
absolutely.
through the, there? Is it cool?
Absolutely. Go
Just
ahead,
wanted to
man.
let you know so I didn't scare you with the drone.
Yeah, you're gonna be good.
Okay,
Fly
good.
it all you want, man.
Would it be okay if in a minute, as I'm flying the drone, if I fly in here and then out? You gonna do that?
Yeah, definitely. Let's do it.
Okay, all right, just wanted to give you a heads up so you weren't like, what's that drone doing in there?
No, that sounds great.
Who is this?
That's Stella.
I'm gonna be flying a drone here in a minute.
Okay.
Will that disturb Stella?
No, because we'll probably be gone by then.
Oh, okay. Well, it looks like we're all set. I'm gonna make a quick announcement to let all of the attendees know that I'm about to do this. Hello, everyone. Hope you're having a good time. My name is Ken Heron from WJLI Radio and also the YouTube channel of the same name. Like and subscribe. I'm about to fly this drone around the place, just to give everybody the heads up. Don't be frightened. It won't hurt you. But don't put your fingers in the props. Thank you.
But you also have some of the vendors and some of the patrons who almost make a game out of it. I think at least last year, I haven't been blessed to see the footage for this year's events yet, but we had vendors throwing their arms up to fly through and everything else. So
I got Jason down there, gonna be my visual observer. You don't need one when you're flying indoors, according to the FAA, but you should use common sense. I'm gonna start downstairs first. I'm gonna start where I'm gonna finish, which will be in this corner. Hey, kids love drones. Oh, these boats are nice. Expensive. Wave, hi. Hello. Let's see if I can get down here in between all these pontoons. What I'm really doing is just getting some video for the center here, the expo center, so that they can edit it into a promotional video for next year, as I did with the home show. That was last week. While I'm here in the corner, I'm gonna go up and get a shot of the whole place, like I did with the home show. Just get in the corner and do a nice little pan. Ah, yes. This is a little bit better attended than the home show was. Is this fun for me? Yes. A lot of these boats cost more than some houses do. I usually don't like to fly sideways when there's a lot of people, but I will fly horizontally. I want to get down and close, get a lot of detail. Is that open? Can I go through that? Yeah. All right. That's a nice one. All these boats nowadays have RGB in them. It's really kind of cool. Still have to film the upper level, but I thought I'd start down here. Kind of tight quarters in here. I'm going to just stay above head level. Hope nobody jumps up and tries to swat me. I would love to go inside some of these, but that's too close quarters for where people are. Now, here's where I'm going to go in and out the back. Hopefully, that's the plan. This is just for me. They don't need this. I want to see if I can do it. Ambient light too weak. Out the back side. Did it. Yeah. So this guy was going to let me fly in one window and out the other one. Let's see. I don't even know if he knows I'm here. There we go. Now obviously I'm getting a lot of footage that they're not going to use here. Am I using this opportunity just to have a little bit of fun? Yes, yes I am. So now I'm going to come up where I am. Look at that, Rock 98.3. By the way, if you want to listen to me on the radio, you can. I'll put a link in the description where you can listen to me. Me and Jason do a morning show on a rock radio station every weekday morning. Now I'll get some upstairs footage, and I know that if I fly sideways and keep lined up with the railing, I'm not going to hit anyone. Stay at this altitude just for a little bit, I can fly sideways. I can skim the railing here. Everybody's saying hi. I have to fly through the arms of this. I just have to, right? You saw that, right? So I'm going to do it. I'm going to fly through the arms of this person screaming for help. Help! I need you to fly through my arms. There is a vendor over here that has a big, huge drone. Let's go film the big, huge drone with this little itty bitty drone. Oh, look at that thing. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. That's a matrice. I'm going to come back here. Thank you for the opportunity today.
Absolutely. Glad to have you.
Been doing this for a few years now.
Yeah. You know, we had great sponsors, wonderful vendors, and one of our best turnouts.
And that was probably because of the video that I've been shooting for you for your promotions.
Probably was. We actually, from everything that you were wonderful to shoot for us last year, gave us a lot of B-roll to put out there that a lot of people responded to.
Good.
So some of our largest social media mentions came from the B-roll that you gave us.
Oh,
so,
excellent.
from all of our wonderful vendors who work so hard to set up shows like this, from our sponsors who, you know, put in so much effort and time and let's be, you know, frank, money into these events because they understand the importance of the role that they play in the community.
Speaking of money, the one question I get all the time is how much am I getting paid for these things? We can't say the exact amount, but needless to say, it's a lot.
It is quite a bit.
I know it's tough for you to do.
Yeah.
To write that check.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's what.
Getting that comma right, just getting that comma.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have to go back and double check my zeros.
Right.
Before I finish.
I'm glad you made room in the budget.
Well, I'm glad to have you. Of course, with the importance of what we're doing, so thankful to have you.
I would do it for free, you know, because I'm a team player, but money's better.
Well, whatever we can do to make it work, I'll happily write those zeros for you, my friend.
Hey, Frank, are you allowed to talk or no? Not allowed to talk? Does he talk?
Yeah, I can.
You talk?
I guess.
You talk? Okay.
Yeah,
Hey, Jumpin' Jack, do you guys have the #1 morning show in Kentucky? You do? Is that right? Is that verified? Do you?
Depends on why you're asking, Ken. I know who you are. Get out of here.
It's Coasty. Coasty's, are you flirting with me? Coasty's winking at me.
Coasty has an eye infection.
Oh, does he? Oh, Coasty has a sty?
I've got to go to the eye doctor and get it fixed.
What's your name?
Gee,
And the controller here, are you a pincher or a thumber on there?
well, I'm using my thumbs.
Okay, so, and that's because you play Xbox all the time?
No, I don't do that.
Thanks for subscribing to my channel. I know this guy's gonna do it, aren't you?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah.
Gaga.
Oh, the same name.
Hey, the Gaga. Hey, the